Hi, Alex. I like your stationery. It does, though, look like a structure. Like, this is like the frame for a back porch or something. So I would assume that you're an architecture company. Um, and then that sort of theme is repeated over here. But then the business card, I was a little confused by. Well, I'm wondering what the back looks like. Number two, it doesn't look like a business card size. It looks a little bit more like a bookmark. So I would start with getting a bookmark template, or not a bookmark template, a business card template, and then look at those sizes and then create it from there. And then also show me what the back looks like. So what's the most important part in a business card? The contact information. So this is real small and pushed over to the side like it's not important. So consider that, possibly take Aspen Design, put it on its side over here and make the contact stuff really big, or flip, show the back and just have a really big Aspen Design on the back. So those are just my general thoughts. Also, this looks like Times New Roman. A nice font to pair with this slab serif might be just a very simple sans serif, and you can find tons of those on dafont.com, but I wouldn't use something that is on everybody's computers because it sends the message that they could do it themselves. Okay, so I think you're going in a good direction, but you got to use the proper tools for the job. Let me know if you have any questions.